We're taking you on an unforgettable journey to experience paradise at Dhonveli, Maldives. This private island resort is a secluded tropical paradise, offering a perfect blend of authentic Maldivian design and modern amenities. Surrounded by clear waters, Dhonveli, Maldives provides an exclusive experience with stunning ocean views. The well-designed suites feature thatched wood ceilings, and each has a private balcony. The resort offers a first-rate spa, outdoor pool, and fitness center. Guests can indulge in various water activities such as fishing and diving, or simply relax on the beach. The resort boasts 3 dining options serving international dishes, and there are 2 oceanfront bars for drinks and cocktails. So get ready to be enchanted by stunning overwater suites, thrilling activities, and indulgent relaxation. Let's dive right in. Location: nestled in the sparkling turquoise waters of the Indian Ocean, Dhonveli, Maldives truly lives up to its name, which means crystal white sand in the Maldivian language. Situated on a private island, this resort offers exclusive access to the classic Pasta Point surf break, making it a surfer's paradise. But don't worry, there's something for everyone here, from families and friends to couples seeking a romantic escape. Pools. Take a dip and unwind in the inviting outdoor pool at Dhonveli, Maldives. Whether you want to bask in the sun on a comfortable lounger or splash around with your loved ones, the pool area is the perfect spot to make unforgettable memories. Rooms. Imagine waking up to breathtaking ocean views in a well-designed suite featuring thatched wood ceilings and solid wood flooring. The suites offer ample seating areas and a private balcony, allowing you to immerse yourself in the beauty of the Maldives right from your room. Dining. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with a culinary journey at Dhonveli, Maldives. The resort boasts 3 dining options: Koimola, Mekana, and Rahendi restaurants, offering a delightful array of international dishes in buffet spreads. After your meals, head to one of the 2 bars located by the oceanfront to enjoy a refreshing cocktail or chilled beer. Spa. To truly unwind, indulge in a relaxing spa experience at Shavana Spa. From soothing body massages to rejuvenating treatments, this spa will pamper you from head to toe. And when you're not at the spa, you can spend lazy afternoons by the beach, enjoying the gentle sea breeze. Activities. For the adventure seekers, Dhonveli, Maldives offers an array of exhilarating activities. Whip across the water on a jet ski, try water skiing or windsurfing, or embark on a catamaran ride. If you prefer exploring beneath the waves, sign up for a diving course or enjoy leisurely snorkeling. And for a more meditative experience, venture into the open sea for some calm fishing or dolphin watching. Conclusion. Dhonveli, Maldives is a true slice of paradise where adventure meets relaxation and where every moment is filled with enchantment. So whether you're seeking thrilling experiences or a tranquil retreat, this resort has it all. Don't miss out on this once-in-a-lifetime experience. If you want to see more incredible destinations and luxurious retreats like Cinnamon Dhonveli, Maldives, remember to subscribe to Grand Retreats. Until next time, happy travels!